back to the channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, redefining what modern luxury on wheels looks like. If you enjoy futuristic motorhome content, stick with me till the end. There's so much more coming up. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
The automotive world has just witnessed the unveiling of something so revolutionary, so breathtakingly futuristic, that it challenges everything we thought we knew about motorhome design and luxury mobile living. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome stands before us as a masterpiece of organic design philosophy merged with cutting-edge engineering, creating what might be the most visually striking and technologically advanced motorhome ever conceived. This isn't just a vehicle. This is rolling sculpture, a mobile work of art that happens to provide the ultimate in luxury accommodation while showcasing Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future of premium travel. The exterior design immediately captures your attention with its stunning electric blue metallic finish that seems to shimmer and flow across every curve and surface. But what truly sets this Mercedes motorhome apart is its revolutionary bio-inspired design language. The living quarters section features organic, cell-like openings that flow across the structure in asymmetric patterns reminiscent of natural forms. These aren't conventional windows. They're sculptural voids in the bodywork. Irregular oval and circular shapes of varying sizes that create a three-dimensional honeycomb effect across the sides and rear of the vehicle. The openings are framed by the flowing blue body panels that sweep and curve in ways that seem almost alive, creating visual movement even when the vehicle is stationary. The front cab section features Mercedes-Benz's futuristic truck design with that iconic three-pointed star prominently displayed. The cab styling is sleek and aerodynamic with a wraparound windscreen that provides exceptional visibility. LED lighting elements that create distinctive signatures both day and night, and smooth body panels that flow seamlessly into the living quarters behind. The overall proportion suggests this is built on a heavy-duty commercial chassis, likely something in Mercedes Actros family, but heavily modified and customized for this unique application. The wheels are distinctive chrome or polished aluminum units that complement the premium aesthetic perfectly. The rear living quarters section is where the design truly becomes extraordinary. The structure appears to be approximately 40 to 50 feet in length, rising well above the cab section to create multiple levels of interior space. The organic openings in the bodywork aren't just aesthetic choices, they serve multiple functional purposes. The larger oval openings provide panoramic views from the interior living spaces, flooding rooms with natural light while offering spectacular views of surroundings. Smaller circular voids create visual interest and may serve as ventilation points or locations for specialized equipment. The asymmetric arrangement means no two sides of the motorhome are identical, creating a unique appearance from every viewing angle. The flowing blue body panels that create these organic openings appear to be constructed from advanced materials, possibly carbon fiber composites or specialized polymers that allow for these complex, curved shapes while maintaining structural integrity. The finish is mirror-like in its depth and luster, suggesting multiple layers of premium paint applied to aerospace standards and polished to perfection. This level of finish quality is expected from Mercedes-Benz, but taken to new extremes in this application. The way light plays across these flowing surfaces creates constantly changing highlights and shadows that emphasize the three-dimensional complexity of the design. The chassis configuration is sophisticated with what appears to be a quad rear axle setup, meaning 8 wheels supporting the living quarters section. This massive wheel count isn't just for appearance. It's a mechanical necessity to distribute the weight of what is essentially a mobile structure across enough contact patches to maintain safe tire loadings while providing the stability needed for highway travel. The suspension would need to be extraordinarily advanced, likely using air springs with active damping and possibly even dynamic load balancing that shifts weight distribution based on cornering forces and road conditions. Stepping inside this Mercedes motorhome would reveal spaces that redefine luxury mobile living. The ground floor would likely feature an open concept. It's design that maximizes the sense of space while carefully zoning different functional areas. Those organic openings in the exterior translate into windows that provide natural light from unexpected angles, creating an interior environment that feels spacious and connected to the outside world. The materials throughout would be premium Mercedes quality, with leather upholstery in colors and textures that complement the exterior blue, exotic wood veneers or carbon fiber trim pieces, and brushed or polished metal accents. The furniture wouldn't be typical RV pieces, but rather custom-designed elements that continue the organic design language of the exterior. The living area would feature seating that's both comfortable and sculptural, possibly with integrated technology like heating, cooling, and massage functions. Entertainment systems would be state-of-the-art with large displays that can emerge from hidden locations. Premium audio systems with speakers strategically positioned throughout the space, and connectivity that ensures occupants are always linked to the world. The lighting would be sophisticated LED systems with color-changing capabilities that can create different moods and ambiances for various times of day or activities. The kitchen would be extraordinary, featuring appliances from premium manufacturers integrated seamlessly into custom cabinetry, a large refrigerator with multiple temperature zones, a professional-grade cooking surface with multiple burners, advanced ovens, and possibly even a steam cooking system, and countertops that might be solid surface materials or possibly even exotic stone. The design would likely incorporate flowing curves that echo the exterior aesthetic, with no harsh right angles or conventional layouts. Storage would be abundant, but cleverly concealed behind those flowing surfaces. The upper levels, likely accessed by a sculptural staircase that would be an architectural feature in its own right, would house private sleeping quarters. The master bedroom would be spectacular, with a bed that's larger than standard sizing, luxury bedding with thread counts that enter the four-figure range, and those organic window openings providing natural light and views, while maintaining privacy through advanced glass technology. The room would have independent climate control, integrated entertainment systems, and possibly even features like adjustable ambient lighting that can simulate natural daylight cycles or create romantic evening ambience. Additional sleeping areas would accommodate guests or family members, each designed with the same attention to detail and luxury appointments as the master suite. The organic window openings would ensure that even secondary spaces feel bright and connected to the environment rather than the cramped, dark spaces typical of guest quarters in conventional motorhomes. The bathroom facilities would rival luxury spas with a large shower featuring multiple heads, including rainfall and body jet options, premium tile or stone surfaces, heated floors that warm your feet, and fixtures that might include precious metal finishes. A separate soaking tub wouldn't be out of the question in a motorhome of this caliber. The vanity would feature ample counter space, exceptional lighting for grooming tasks, and storage solutions that are both abundant and beautifully integrated. High-end toilets with bidet functions and possibly even self-cleaning capabilities would be expected. The technology integration throughout this Mercedes motorhome would be absolutely cutting-edge. A central control system would manage everything from lighting and climate to entertainment and security. Occupants could control systems through wall-mounted touchscreens, personal devices, or voice commands. The system would provide real-time monitoring of all vehicle functions, including battery levels, fuel status, water and waste tank capacities, tire pressures, and maintenance schedules. Multiple cameras would provide complete visibility around the vehicle, making maneuvering surprisingly manageable despite the size. The engineering challenges in creating this Mercedes motorhome would be substantial. The organic body structure with its flowing curves and asymmetric openings would require advanced computer modeling and possibly even wind tunnel testing to ensure aerodynamic stability. The structural engineering would need to account for the dynamic loads, experience during travel while maintaining rigidity and preventing any flexing that could cause issues. Mercedes engineers would likely employ aerospace materials and construction techniques, using carbon fiber extensively for primary structure, aluminum for secondary supports, and advanced composites for body panels. The power systems would need to be sophisticated enough to support the extensive electrical loads of climate control, lighting, entertainment, and other systems. Large battery banks using the latest lithium technology would provide stored energy, while solar panels integrated into those flowing roof surfaces would generate supplemental power. A substantial diesel generator would provide backup and handle peak demands. Shore power connections would support high-amperage feeds for rapid charging when connected to external power sources. This 2026 Mercedes motorhome ultimately represents a bold vision of the future, where design transcends conventional forms to create something genuinely new and exciting. The organic, bio-inspired architecture challenges us to rethink what's possible in motorhome design, while the Mercedes engineering ensures that this rolling sculpture is also a thoroughly practical and luxurious place to live and travel. It's a statement piece that announces its owner has arrived at the pinnacle of success while demonstrating a commitment to innovation and design excellence that goes far beyond mere transportation.